in today's lecture, I want to develop several more formulas that will allow us to reach our goal of differentiating everything. So these are derivative formulas. And they come in two flavors. The first kind is specific. So some specific function we're giving the derivative of, and that would be, for example, x to the n or 1 over x. Those are the ones that we did a couple of lectures ago. And then there are general formulas. And the general ones don't actually give you a formula for a specific function, but tell you something like if you take two functions and add them together, their derivative is the sum of the derivatives. Or if you multiply by a constant, for example, so c times u, the derivative of that is c times u prime, where c is constant. All right, so these kinds of formulas are very useful, both the specific and the general kind. For example, they're needed, so we need both kinds for polynomials. And more generally, pretty much any set of formulas that we give you will give you a few functions to start out with, and then you'll be able to generate lots more by these general formulas. So today, we want to concentrate on the trig functions. And so we have some, we'll start out with some specific formulas. And they're going to be the formulas for the derivative of the sine function and the cosine function. So that's what we'll spend the first part of the lecture on. And at the same time, I hope to get you very used to dealing with trig functions, although that's something that you should think of as a gradual process.